Welcome to our video, Top 7 Must-Have Products for Your Home and Lifestyle. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7, RGB Corner Light. The RGB Corner Light is a perfect way to add a vibrant touch to any room. With its sleek aluminum and iron construction, this floor light stands at an impressive height of 140 centimeters, and its 43 centimeters leg length ensures it can fit seamlessly in any corner. Whether you prefer black or white, this light can match your decor. It features an RGB controller that allows for dimming, brightness adjustment, and even a breathing effect, creating an atmosphere like no other. Ideal for a bedroom or game room, it has a lamp life of over 25,000 hours and operates with an input voltage of 90 to 260 volts. Number 6. Thor's Hammer Necklace. For those who appreciate Scandinavian culture and Norse mythology, the Thor's Hammer Necklace is a must-have accessory. Made from durable stainless steel, this necklace features a detailed Mjolnir pendant designed to never fade. The mix of gold and silver gives it a modern yet classic appeal. Included with the pendant is a stainless steel chain, rune beads. Number 5. Gaming Earphones. The eCasa GT1 gaming earphones are designed for both casual listeners and serious gamers alike. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0 technology and 45 millisecond low latency, these earbuds offer crystal clear audio that ensures you never miss a sound in your games. Whether you're in game mode or music mode, the earbuds deliver high-fidelity sound for an immersive experience. With a battery life of up to 36 hours, you can enjoy your games or music all day without worrying about recharging. The ergonomic semi-in-ear design ensures long-lasting comfort, while the IPX4 waterproof rating makes them ideal for outdoor sports. Number 4. Motion Sensor Nightlight. For anyone seeking an efficient, energy-saving lighting solution, the Motion Sensor Nightlight is a fantastic addition to your home. This USB rechargeable, automatic wall-mounted light activates when motion is detected, providing you with just the right amount of illumination when you need it. Number 3. Showerhead Cleaning Brush. Cleaning your showerhead and bathroom can sometimes feel like a tedious task, but with the 10-piece set showerhead cleaning brush, it becomes much easier. These small brushes, each made from durable nylon and polypropylene, are perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach places, like the pores and gaps in your showerhead, kitchen sinks, and toilet holes. The brushes are designed to withstand high temperatures and are extremely heat-resistant, making them perfect for thorough cleaning tasks. Number 2. Air Pump Wine Bottle Opener. The Air Pump Wine Bottle Opener is the ultimate tool for wine enthusiasts. This innovative corkscrew uses air pressure to remove corks without the usual twisting or pulling. With its high-efficiency air pump system, you can open bottles quickly and effortlessly, making it especially handy for women and the elderly. The tool is designed to cleanly remove corks without damaging them, ensuring your wine remains unspoiled. Its portable, compact design makes it easy to take along on camping trips or to gatherings. Number 1. Transparent Shrink Film. Last but certainly not least, we have the transparent shrink film, a simple yet effective solution for protecting your TV, air conditioner, or remote controls from dust and damage. With its clear, flexible design, this film provides a snug fit over your electronics, ensuring that dust, dirt, and grime don't accumulate. The film is easy to use, and it helps extend the lifespan of your devices by keeping them in pristine condition. Ideal for households with children or pets, it offers an added layer of protection for your valuable items. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.